Are you looking for a new way to make money online? Mobile app development could be the perfect opportunity for you. With the rise of smartphones, the demand for mobile apps is at an all-time high. And with the right skills and knowledge, you can turn your app development passion into a profitable business. There are a variety of ways to make money with mobile app development. You can create and sell your own apps, or offer your services as a developer to others. You can also monetize your apps through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or ads. To get started, you'll need to learn the basics of app development and choose a platform to focus on, such as iOS or Android. There are plenty of resources online to help you learn, from tutorials to online courses. You can also use freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr to find clients who need app development services. Or, you can pitch your own app ideas to potential investors and partners. With the right skills and dedication, mobile app development can be a lucrative and rewarding way to make money online. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to subscribe to BaitBucks for more tips on how to make money online.